Hey, what's up, guys? I wanted to do a little tutorial video. I told you guys I'd start doing them, so I figured this would be a good time as any. This is for you guys out there that are using hand shears or first timers, stuff like that, or even somebody. It's just something basic. It's amazing what you can do with these, and you'd be really surprised how much you can learn from them. One thing I see a mistake sometimes when I see other people's work that I follow, through Instagram, stuff like that. I like to follow, most of my people that follow me. So. A little simple mistake, something that'll help you if you're doing a little sheet metal work using hand tools, is the correct way and the non-correct way. So I'm gonna kind of demonstrate. This is kind of what I call like a cut through. So if you're taking your shears, hopefully you can see this, and you go all the way through like that, you're gonna have these little dimples. You see in the shadows right here. You don't want that. See, it's like almost like an overstep, and that's from cutting all the way through. Compared to if you take your hand shears and you take a little grab, don't go all the way through. Kind of like how you use scissors on a piece of paper, same concept. See how smooth that is? You don't have any, compared to this, where you have big chomp marks that go all the way through. So if you're using your hand shears, you do it just like a piece of paper. Take a little small, don't cut all the way through. Just like so. Something simple. Hopefully it helps somebody. Have a good day.